Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Vudu on your Amazon Fire Stick, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming movies and shows. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Fire Stick and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the search function using your remote. Step 3. Type Vudu into the search bar and select the Vudu app from the results. Step 4. Click Get or Download to install the Vudu app on your Fire Stick. Step 5. Once installation is complete, open the Vudu app. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Step 6. Using a computer or mobile device, visit vudu.com.activate in a web browser. Step 7. Sign in with your Vudu account credentials or create a free account if you don't have one. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the website and click Activate. Your Fire Stick will refresh, and you can now browse and purchase or rent movies and TV shows on Vudu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.